Make one right. The make one right is a right leaning increase. It's worked in the bar between your 2 stitches. You pick up a stitch from the back to the front, and then you take your right hand needle and knit in front of the stitch. Let's see that again. Okay. You're picking up a stitch in the bar between the 2 stitches from the back to the front. Insert your right needle in the front of that stitch and knit it. And the reason why you're knitting in the front of the stitch is to twist that stitch, because if you didn't, you'd get a hole. So if you continue knitting, you'll see that twist kind of covers that hole up. And that's a make one right.